Welcome to my channel, guys. This video is actually for those who are into betting, and in this video I'll be showing you one code Telegram channel you can get all your betting tip apps from and download them safely and use. So without wasting much time, let's just move to Telegram. So from Telegram, you paste this link. The link is in the description as well. You can click on it and then to take you straight up to the Telegram channel to actually get your games from. So this is the channel. The first name here, trending VIP apps. Yes, this is the name of the channel. So as you can see, there are apps here, or there are screenshots from apps that provide you with some betting predictions, and I can't say they are 100% assured, but when you are able to make good use of all these apps, you can actually make some wins daily. Yes, so just like you are seeing here, the base.apk, they are all apps from the channel which are used for betting. They have betting tips which are close to being accurate. So let's watch some of the screenshots or some of the games the apps provide. You can see that this is also one of the good apps you can actually count on. This is one of the good apps you can actually count on. So when you come to this one, for this is a website. Okay, this is a website. This is not an app. This is a website. Some of the screenshots you might be seeing here, they might not be, and this is an app. They might not be an app. Yes, they might be a website. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification, so I'll be giving you more updates on the various stuff. In no time, I'll be releasing my Telegram channel link and my handle on Telegram as well. So anytime you come across any screenshots, you can send it to me and I'll make my findings for you, so I can show you whether it's a site and provide you with a link, or it's an app and also provide you with the app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy the channel. Make sure you cash out and make sure you use the app wisely. Thank you so much for having time to watch this video. Catch you up in my next upload.